Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. We're gonna be doing the update on Microsoft. As y'all can see, Microsoft ended up coming back down into the area, and it popped back up. It came back down and broke this area, and now we're in a different area. So let's get this thing marked up. It didn't break the trend line quite yet. So let's get it marked up marked back up. Excuse me. Let's get this here extended out. This here extended out. All right, we got some supporting resistance. Let's get that marked up. All right. So we're here. So now we see what we're trading at here. This is the trading area where we're trading it right here. It's gonna break lower and hit 232. They have more room to the downside, but I'm not sure it's gonna break that low. I'm not sure it's gonna break that low whether or not, but it still have more room to the downside. It's moved to the downside right now. So we're at a resistance level here. It's gonna break into this area here, come back down, and we're gonna see it come through here before it really try to break out and really start testing these other trading areas. Right now, the bears are in. Right now, we're gonna see how much this thing continue to pull back. So we'll see how far it goes down before it decides to correct itself and maybe continue back in this bullish trend. All right, guys, Alex, checking out.